A new function in the GOM Software 2016 allows the visualization of point components as textured surfaces. The visualization may be useful if you perform a high-speed test and all images are dark except the reference image. The displacements may be better visualized by the surface component. Therefore, you can now create a surface component from point components in 2D and 3D projects. To create the surface component, the function triangulates the points of the point components by using the Delaunay triangulation. Small angles in the triangles are then minimized. Let's try out the new feature in Aramis Professional 2016. In this project, a point component called door already exists. For a better visualization, you can use the new function createSurfaceComponent from pointComponent. You can now choose the point component. In the preview, the mesh structure is automatically displayed to enhance the visualization. Use the Invert surface button if the back side and the front side of the mesh are interchanged. Gray represents the front. Petrol marks the back. If the surface contains areas which are not of interest, select these by a Select through Surface. As soon as you select all edge points of a triangle, the triangle is deleted. In the Explorer, the new surface component is named like the point component with the extension Surface, unless you renamed it manually. In the properties of the surface component, you can enable the option Smooth Shaded to get a more smooth mesh. You can also make the mesh structure visible again. If you want to show your results together with the measurement images, you can enable the option Texture. If the measurement contains images from more than one camera, the first image of the left camera is used. You can choose whether the image is taken from the definition stage of the surface component or from the current stage. Current stage means that the image changes corresponding to the displayed image. If the texture appears too dark, you can use the function Lighten Image Mapping. The texture is displayed in all stages. The image stays even if you change the perspective. By using the texture mapping function, you are independent of the image mapping function and its viewing angle. The new created surface component now behaves like a standard surface component. For example, you can check the surface component for displacements. The software automatically displays the colored deviation of the point component and surface component in all stages.